Bum, 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 bum. Welcome, one and all, to this week's edition of Monster Truck Football. Today's game, we have the Steelers taking on the Colts. Let's meet the players. For the Steelers, we have Bone Shaker, Mammoth Truck, and MVP. For the Colts, playing his first game, Stealth Blaze, El Toro Loco, and Wolverine. We have Manny.
We have Josh.
Both teams are 0-1, so whoever wins the game moves on. Whoever loses the game goes in the bucket.
Time to flip the coin. Of course, I have no coin, but I do have a Hot Wheels card. Heads and tails. Manny, call it in the air.
Heads.
It's tails. Josh?
Honor seat.
Steelers ball. And we'll be playing 5-minute quarters with a running clock. Clock starts now. Steelers have the ball. Looks like they're giving it to Mammoth Truck. Mammoth Truck with the ball. Oh, he's hit. He fumbles. Oh, he's hit. He fumbles. I think he fumbled that before he got in the end zone. Score remains 0-0. Manny, great job on the logos this week.
Thanks.
Down to 4 minutes and 6 seconds on the clock. Colts ball. Looks like Stealth Blaze has it. Here he comes. Stealth Blaze, he's hit. Stopped just short. Stealth Blaze has it. Here he comes. Blaze, he's hit. Stopped just short.
Field goal.
Ooh, going for the field goal. Colts set up for the kick. Looks like El Toro Loco is going to kick it. Starts the clock. Kicks up.
After further review, that kick was good.
Colts on the board first, 3-0. Steelers ball. Looks like MVP has it. MVP's hit. Stopped at the 20. Looks like MVP has it. MVP's hit.
Blaze is gone.
Blaze.
Yes.
Helmet fell off.
If a truck loses a helmet, he must sit out the next play.
Ready, go.
Colts got the ball. Ooh. El Toro Loco, they go with 2.
Ready, go.
Colts got the ball. Toro Loco, they go with 2. He stopped at the 26. 38 seconds on the clock. Steelers ball. Mammoth Truck with the cut. Mammoth. That was a great trade that the Steelers made for Mammoth Truck. And he scores. 6-3. Steelers lead it. Steelers going for a 2-point conversion.
Go.
Here comes Mammoth Truck. Untouched.
Go.
Here comes. Untouched. 2 points are good. 2 points are good. Steelers go up 8-3. That's the end of the first quarter. We'll be back right after this. And we're back to start the second quarter. Colts ball.
Ready, go.
Looks like Stealth Blaze has it. Ooh, he tried to get the jump.
Ready, go.
Looks like Stealth. Ooh, he tried to get the jump. Colts anticipated it. Blazes stopped at about the 26. Steelers ball. Here comes MVP. Oh, a little too slow and he stopped. Here comes MVP. Oh, and he stopped.
Come on.
Down to 2 minutes and 48 seconds in the second quarter already. Colts ball.
Ready, go.
Almost got him.
Ready, go.
Here comes Wolverine with the wobbly wheel. Oh! Almost got him.
Ready, go.
Wolverine. Wheel.
Oh! I thought Blaze had it.
Tight game still at 8-3. Down to 2 minutes in the second quarter. Pittsburgh setting up on offense.
What? Go!
Oh, Mammoth Truck by himself. Oh,
What? Go!
Himself. Oh, caught the Colts off guard. Touchdown Steelers. A great run. Steelers go up 14-3. 1:17 on the clock. Mammoth Truck's got the ball again. Ooh, it's going backwards. Great run. Oh, and then he spikes it. Steelers make it 16-3. Colts ball.
Ready, go! Ready, go!
Both Blaze has got it. He makes the move. Colts ball.
Ready, go! Ready, go!
He makes the move. Touchdown, Colts.
Good run.
Great run. All right. Colts are trying to make it a game here. 16-9. Colts going for 2. Makes the move. Makes the cut. Makes the move. Makes the cut. Runs it out of bounds. No good.
Timeout!
Score remains 16-9. Steelers get a timeout with 13 seconds left on the clock. Pittsburgh's ball.
What do you?
Mammoth Truck with the ball. He makes the same cut.
What do you?
Mammoth Truck with the ball. He makes the same cut. Touchdown, Mammoth Truck. That's the end of the half, but before we go to commercial, Steelers get to attempt their 2-point conversion. Steelers going for 2. Here comes Mammoth Truck. Great run. Here comes Mammoth. Great run. Mammoth Truck is unstoppable. And at the end of the first half, the Steelers lead 24-9. We'll be back with halftime right after this. And welcome back to the halftime show. Did you guys change clothes? Well, guys, back in my day, for fun, we didn't have these newfangled fidget spinners. We played pencil fighting, burn ball, and paper football. Today, we're going to play a little paper football. We're going to use the fidget spinner for our clock. I'll explain the rules as we go. PFL, Paper Football League. This is heads, this is tails. Josh, call it in the air. It's tails. Manny, you'd like to go first?
Yeah.
All right, Josh is going to be kicking off since Manny's got the ball first. Kick it as far down there as you can, Josh. Oh, Manny's starting off at the 50. All right, Manny's going to be starting off at the 50. He's got to spin the fidget spinner. That'll be his time clock. And then he'll have 4 plays to get it in the end zone. If the fidget spinner stops spinning, though, you lose your downs.
In order for it to be a touchdown, the whole ball must be over the goal line, but not past the end of the goal.
All right, Manny gives the fidget spinner a spin. That's his time clock. Now you got 4 chances to get that. Ooh, first play down to the 15.
Don't mess up.
Almost a touchdown. Touchdown. Now you got 4 chances to get that. Ooh, first play down to the 15. Touchdown. Touchdown. Manny made it look pretty easy, but it's not all that easy. Especially to kick field goals. Manny goes up 6-0. Manny sets up for the extra point. It's no good. It's no good.
It's so hard.
Score remains 6-0. All right, Manny's got to kick it off to Josh. Ooh, kicks it out of bounds. Ooh, kicks it out of bounds. Great kick. Josh has to start at the 20. Josh gets his fidget spinner going. You have till that stops to complete 4 plays. Ooh, first play. Great run. Oh, almost a touchdown. Oh, still
3.
not in there. Oh, he's in
All
there.
right, 4.
That's a good 4 downs. And Josh is on the board with 6. Extra points being kicked from the 20. Go for it. Oh.
I didn't have
Too short.
I didn't have the height.
All right, so after a possession each, score is 6-6. We're gonna play to 21. Josh with the kickoff. Hey, now you're doing it. Look at that. Doing it. Look at that. All the way down. Manny has to start off at the 20. And he gives the fidget spinner a spin. That's a good one. No, you don't kick it. Yeah. First run's a good one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he's got one more chance.
Yes!
Oh, he doesn't score. First run's a good one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, he doesn't score. He stopped himself.
You already played it?
Score's still 6-6. Josh has to start right where the ball sits. You got 4 downs. Give the fidget spinner a spin. You got 4 downs to make it all the way down there. Ooh, first run's a good one. Second run, remember you can't go out of bounds. Oh, perfect run on 3rd down. He scores. Ooh, first run's a good one. Second run, remember you can't go out of bounds. Oh, perfect run. And Josh goes up 12-6. See if you guys got the hang of it now. This is no football app. This is real life. Josh going for the field goal.
Come on.
It's off the goalpost. This is no football app. This is real life. Josh going for the field goal.
Come
It's
on.
off the goalpost. And nobody can make the extra point. Score's still 12-6. Josh has to kick off to Manny. Ooh, kicks up. Goes out of bounds about the 30. All right, Manny's starting off from around the 25-yard line. Gives a fidget a spin. Ooh, first run's down to his 35. Ooh, almost in. Touchdown. Ooh, first run's down to his 35. Ooh, almost in. Touchdown. 12-12. Now, can he make the extra point? It's up. It's good. It's up. It's good. Great kick. Great kick. And Manny goes up 13-12. I forgot to mention there is a 2-point conversion. That has to be done with 1 chance from the 20. All right, Manny kicks off. Ooh, kicks it out of bounds. Ooh, kicks it out of bounds. That means Josh has to start at the 20. Fidget spinner spinning. Here we go. First run, touchdown on first down. Great run. First run, touchdown on first down. And Josh goes up 18-13. Going for 2 or 1?
2.
Oh, he's going for 2. Well, that'll make 20. Then you only need 1 point. Doesn't really matter at this stage of the game. Josh going for 2. Josh going for the 2-point. You have to get it in there on 1 try. Ah, no good. Ah, no good. It's not that easy. Score remains 18-13. Watch out, Ant. Annie, you have 13 points, so you almost have to score and make a 2-point conversion.
Yeah, I know.
Josh kicks off. Oh, ball down to the 35-yard line. Gives the fidget spinner a spin. First down. Decent run. Ooh, touchdown. Great run. First down. Decent run. Ooh, touchdown. Great run. And he makes it 19-18.
I gotta go for 2. Yeah, I have to.
Going for 2. He's on the 20 there. Josh is hoping he misses.
Ah!
One
Ah!
shot.
Ah! Yes!
He misses. It's not that. Ah! He missed again. Josh is hoping he misses.
Ah! 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 Yes!
He misses. Score 19-18. Manny must kick it off to Josh. Manny with the kickoff. Kicks it out of bounds. Takes it out of bounds. Josh starts off at the 20. All right, Josh gives the clock a spin.
Boom.
First down. Ooh, great run on first down. Oh, he's almost in. Still touching the goal line. He makes it.
Boom.
First down. Ooh, great run on first down. Oh, he's almost in. Still touching the goal line. He makes it. It's been almost stopped, but he scores. Josh with 24. Manny with 19. 24. He wins it. Great game, guys.
Excuse me. Still can't make it.
Still can't make the 2-point conversion. All right, guys. That's the end of the half. We'll be back right after this.
Yes.
And we're back to start the second half. Score is 24-9. Steelers lead it. Steelers ball to start the second half.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Stealth plays. Oh, stealth plays with a sharp cut. Stealth plays. Oh, stealth plays with a sharp cut. Touchdown, Colts. Hey, Colts in double digits. 24-15. Colts going for 2.
Where'd he go?
Stealth plays again.
Oh,
just barely.
Where'd he go? Oh, what?
Colts make it 17-24. Already down at 3 minutes and 12 seconds in the third quarter. Steelers ball.
Where'd he go?
Going with 2. Mammoth truck. Oh, sharp
come
cut.
on.
Out at the 20.
Where'd he go?
Going with 2. Oh, sharp
come
cut.
on.
Score remains 24-17. Down to 2 minutes in the third quarter. Colts ball.
Where'd he go?
Blaze stealth. Beautiful cut into the end zone. Touchdown, Colts.
Where'd he go?
Blaze stealth. And just like that, Colts make it 23-24. Colts going for 2. Will they take the lead?
Where'd he go?
Here comes Stealth Blaze, another nice move.
Where'd he go?
Blaze, another nice move. That's what you call a perfect run. Colts take the lead, 25-24. Minute 12 in the third quarter. Steelers ball. Ooh, here comes Mammoth Truck real quick into the end zone. Touchdown, Mammoth Truck. Ooh, here comes Mammoth Truck real quick into the end zone. Touchdown, Mammoth Truck. Poor Sarge. 30-25. Steelers going for 2. 22 seconds on the clock. Here comes Mammoth Truck. Here comes Mammoth Truck. Nice run. 2 points are good. Steelers make it 32-25. Colts get a timeout with 4 seconds left on the clock. 4 seconds left. I'll count it down verbally. Colts ball.
Where'd he go?
4, 3, 2. Stealth.
Where'd he go?
4, 3. Colts make it 31-32. And they're going for 2. Colts going for 2.
Where'd he go?
Here comes Stealth Blaze, runs it in untouched. Here comes Stealth Blaze, runs it in untouched. 2 points are good. Colts go up by 1, 33-32. These teams are playing like neither one want to go home. That's the end of our third quarter. We'll be back right after this. And we're back to start the fourth quarter. Steelers ball. Looks like Mammoth Truck's got it.
Ready to go.
Mammoth Truck. Man, he's fast.
Ready to
Mammoth Truck. Man, he's fast. And spikes it. Almost threw it in the pool. Steelers make it 38-33. Steelers ball, going for 2. Mammoth Truck, he loses it on his way. Truck, he loses it on his way. Fumble. 2 points are no good. Score remains 38-33. Steelers in the lead. 3 minutes and 6 seconds left on the clock. Colts ball.
Ready to go.
Oh, Stealth Blaze is crushed. Oh, Stealth Blaze is crushed. They finally made a stop. Score remains 38-33. 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock. Steelers ball. Going 2 players. Mammoth Truck with a cut into the end zone. Mammoth Truck with a cut into the end zone. Oh man, Steelers seem to be running away with it here all of a sudden. 44-33. Steelers going for 2. Mammoth Truck with the ball. Oh no! Mammoth Truck with the ball. Oh no! He tripped over his tusk. Score remains 44-33. We went well past the 2-minute warning. Minute 4 on the clock. We'll be right back after this. And we're back for the rest of the 4th quarter. Only a minute and 2 seconds left on the clock. Colts ball.
Ready to go.
Blaze. Oh no, Blaze all of a sudden can't find the end zone.
Ready to go.
Oh no, Blaze all of a sudden can't find the end zone. He stopped short. Score remains 44-33. We're down to 27 seconds in the game. Steelers ball. Colts have to hope for something crazy to happen.
Ready to go.
Here comes Mammoth Truck. Oh, Mammoth Truck's he's hit, but he scores. Here comes Mammoth Truck. Oh, Mammoth Truck's right in the end zone.
Timeout.
Timeout Colts with 9 seconds left. Talk about a high-scoring game. We got 5-minute quarters with a running clock. We got this much scoring going on. 88 points this game. Both teams giving it a valiant effort, but looks like Steelers will prevail. Going for 2 with 9 seconds on the clock. Not quite sure why the Colts stopped the clock on a 2-point conversion, but
They call timeout.
yeah. Here comes Mammoth. That was cool. Endoed all the way into the end zone. Great play. Normally that'd be down in regular football, but monster truck football, it's where you stop. That was cool. It's like we had a clock malfunction and Colts are going to get another play. But in any case, it's 52-33. Steelers lead it. It's going to be the last play of the game. Clock starts 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Wolverine hobbles it over to 2. Wolverine hobbles it over to the 34. Great game, guys. Steelers win it 52-33. Josh is victorious. And unfortunately, one team's going home, and that's the Colts. One final roll. Man, Stealth Blaze was a great player. Into the bucket he goes. El Toro Loco. And Wolvie, wobbly wheel. So we have 2 teams in the bucket the Steelers will advance. Hey, it looks like even the retired Jerome Bettis is coming out to congratulate the Steelers. The bus. There you have it, guys. Scores 52-33. Steelers take it. And one more team is eliminated from the list. Cross off the Colts there with a final score of 33. Steelers with 52 and they advance. Still in it. All right, guys. We'll see you next game for the Eagles and the Browns. Take care. All right, I got till that stops to make a 100-yard field goal. Oh, almost good. Oh, almost good.
First try.
Grab it, Josh.
Give him.
Almost made it. Try it again.
It's up.
In perfect.
Perfect.
Try it again.
Up.
In perfect.
Perfect.
That's what you call skills.